Goods and Services Tax Network is a one-stop solution for all your indirect tax requirements. The new registrant will come to the GST portal www.gst.gov.in.
Taxpayer shall click on New User Login.
This will open a new page where all the important required information has been given. He shall select type of taxpayer, for example, normal, casual tax person, non-resident taxable person, UN body, etc. On the same page, he shall have to fill the PAN number of the business and mobile number and email ID of the authorized signatory. The system will validate the PAN number from the income tax database. The mobile number and email addresses are verified through two separate OTPs. After their successful validation, a TRN will be generated. This TRN will be valid for 15 days. The new registrant can use this TRN for proceeding further. An OTP will be received again on the phone and email. After entering CAPTCHA, the main application shall open with 9 different tabs and one verification tab for the convenience of the applicant. In the Business Detail tab, one shall fill the details of business, reason for registration and other related information. If the new registrant wants to opt in for composition, he shall be required to click on the declaration box or flag mentioned in the Business Detail tab. In the Promoter Partner tab, details of the proprietor, promoter, partner can be filled. Details like name, father's name, residential address, PAN number and Aadhaar are also required to be filled in. They will also be required to upload a photograph. A maximum of 10 promoter partner details can be added in the Add button. Please save and continue. Now come to the Authorized Signatory tab. All the information related to the authorized signatory like name, father's name, date of birth, PAN, Aadhaar and residential address can be filled in with a photograph of the concerned person and a letter of authorization as a PDF or JPEG file. In the Principal Place of Business tab, the new registrant can enter the details of location of his or her principal place of business. Documentary proof like electricity bill, municipal receipt, rent agreement, lease agreement, etc. is required to be uploaded. The principal place of business in a state can only be one. In the Additional Place of Business tab, the new registrant can fill the details of additional places of business located in that particular state. No document is required to be uploaded. A maximum of 9,999 additional places of business can be filled in. In Goods and Services tab, one can enter a maximum of 5 goods and/or 5 services.
Goods and services can be searched by the taxpayer.
In the Bank Account Details tab, branch name with the IFSC code is required to be selected from the drop-down menu. The first page of the passbook, bank statement and any document issued by the bank on its behalf can be uploaded. In the Authorized Representative tab, the applicant can select the name of the GST practitioner from the list or may enter the person's name in the required field. One tab for state-specific information is available, which is optional. After completing these details, one has to submit the form by clicking on the Verification tab. Now you can submit the application by Digital Signature Certificate (DSC) or e-signature or Electronic Verification Code. The application can only be verified and signed by the authorized signatory. After 15 minutes, you shall receive an ARN from the portal. Your application is now successfully submitted for processing. Goods and Services Tax, one nation, one tax, one market.